Welcome to episode 5 of tutorial 1, Explore ScratchJr. Hi there, glad that you are here. Today we will begin to explore ScratchJr. Are we ready? Let us find your ScratchJr icon in your iPad or tablet. It looks like this. If you have not installed your ScratchJr, please click here for a web tutorial, Install ScratchJr. Now tap on your ScratchJr icon to launch ScratchJr. Let us wait until we are in this screen display. Now tap on the Home button. Okay, give yourself 2 big claps. You are now in ScratchJr. Let us begin with ScratchJr main page. This is where you will create your first project. Now tap on the plus white box to enter into ScratchJr user interface. Let us explore more on ScratchJr user interface so that you will know your way around ScratchJr. Where to find your tools, how to save your work, why is the cat orange, and much more. This is the stage. A stage is where all your animations, games, and stories come alive. There is a kitten in the center of the stage. Kitten is the face of ScratchJr and the first character you see when you first launch ScratchJr. Come on down, kitten. A character is a special friend that you can have in your project. Kitten is one of our favorite characters. You can add, remove, or even change the appearance of your character. You can even change the color. A page is where you can have your own background and add in your own characters and animations. You can add, reorder, or remove your page from your project. Imagine a page is just like a page in a book. You can have multiple pages in your project. This is where the actual coding takes place. You can select the different types of building blocks to code your animation. You will learn the yellow blocks, the blue blocks, purple blocks, green blocks, orange blocks, and red blocks. Don't worry, we will explore each block in the next blocks tutorial. Tap on the presentation mode if you want to run your project in full screen. Tap on the presentation mode again to go back to your edit mode. There are times that you like to use the grid. Why? So that you will know the exact location of your character during animation. This is the place where you can add a new background or edit your background. Editing is to change the appearance of your background. You can even choose your own background. You can add title or labels to your page. You can also change the size or color of your title or your labels. You can even move it around. If you want your character to return to its original starting point, you can use this button. This will actually return your character and start your code from the start point. Finally, to start your code, you tap on the green flag. All code start with the green flag. Well, mostly. In the next tutorial, you will learn more about the building blocks and how to choose the right types of colored blocks for your code in your project.